Meet SIIG's Thunderbolt 3 Dual DP 4K Video Docking Station. Part number JU-DK0C11-S1. This lets you turn a Thunderbolt 3 port to 2 DisplayPort monitors and adds several media ports to your workstation. This product provides 2 DisplayPort ports, 2 USB Type-C for power charging, 3 USB 3.1 with one of the USB 3.1 for fast charging, 1 Ethernet port, 1 3.5mm stereo jack, and 1 power jack. Expand your workstation and get more done by adding 2 DisplayPort monitors in 4K at 60Hz to get crystal clear content and viewing. Easily unplug and plug in to return to your workstation without having to spend time replugging everything in. You can also connect Type-C and USB 3.0 computer add-ons such as mouse, keyboard, and flash drives. To get more reliable internet, you can also directly connect an Ethernet cable to the docking station to get those meetings up and running without a hitch. The 3.5mm stereo jack acts as a headphone for audio and a mic to record. Keep your computer charged as you work with power delivery at 60 watts. The iron gray color looks great and feels great with the housing material on the outside made of aluminum. It also has 4 anti-slip pads on each corner to keep it in place. Thank you for watching.